Hey guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to generate content using ChatGPT. So firstly, I'll come to my Chrome and I want to write on a biography today. So I'll come to the biography. I'm going to look for the name of the person I want to write about on Chrome. So I've already opened the name down. Then I'm going to scroll through it, look into what I need, all the details I need about the man. Since it is biography, I'll just click on my Wikipedia, copy the content, paste it inside my ChatGPT. And I might just find some other information that I know that ChatGPT cannot have. Let me continue like this. Okay, let me use this Wikipedia only for example. So I just come here to Wikipedia and I just go through the biography stuff. Okay, I'm going to open down the live about the man, the live, personal life, political view, linguistic theory, and all. So I'm just going to click on it. I don't know if it's going to copy it once, but let me try. Select all. Okay, copy. I'll come here and I'll open my ChatGPT. Oh, it's failed to copy. Okay, let me try and just do something. Select all. Share. Copy. Okay, because this is just an example. So you can actually do this for you. Maybe biography. The message was too long. Wow, it's too long. Let me try and reduce it because it's just for example. So I already said you can use this method for your evergreen books, for anything. Maybe you've already done your research on what you want to do. If you have watched my video on how to generate content from YouTube, it's just something the same with this. You can just copy it, you paste it here, and you can look for more research. Maybe you've done your research, more research on Google. Just go straight to Google, do more research, and just copy and paste again into your ChatGPT. Is it going this time around? Okay, it is going. So I'll just come here. I'll just tell ChatGPT to generate title, unique title for me for this biography. And it's going to generate a title for me. Can you see the linguistic bend, blah blah blah. So you could just tell him, generate a table of content for this title. You can just put for this title or for this biography anyone that you like, anyone that is going to be to your liking. Okay, can you see? So this method can be done for evergreen. GPT 3.5 is plagiarism free. I'm not saying you should not paraphrase your work. I've already dropped a video on how to get keyboards premium free. Make sure you check my other videos to see. So can you see? You already gave me a table of content. Then from there, I'll just be picking it one by one and be chopping it. It's going to be giving me. Okay, let me paste. Select all, delete, write a lengthy note on introduction. Very easy. It's very easy to use ChatGPT to. Can you see? It's already giving me the introduction. So let's see the next one. Let me see, where's the table of contents? Okay, because the introduction is just about how the story is going to be, the structure, the everything. So I'll just come here straight to the emergence of a linguistic maverick. Since it is the title, I'll just copy it, paste it. This is how to generate content on ChatGPT easily. You can use any form of research you want to do. Maybe you want to write on an evergreen book. Maybe your title is How to Fade Stretch Mark. You can look for somebody that did a very good job on explaining about it on YouTube or on Chrome. Just make sure you read through and everything before you copy and paste in order to be able to write something that is valuable and to sell on Amazon. So thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.